What's going on out there, good people? It is your boy Look Around with LMD Trading, and we are back at it again with another daily trade review. Doing this review from my mobile trading rig, my travel rig, as my main trading computer has seemed to have kicked the bucket. So ordered another computer. Hopefully it'll be here either tomorrow or Wednesday, and we'll get that one set up. But we were trading from the truck again this morning. Picture there was my setup. Had my portable monitor in my lap. Had the laptop sitting on a little makeshift laptop stand that I made, and we got it done this morning. Fairly uneventful trading morning. Took 2 trades in the morning before I had a meeting to go to, or an inspection, I guess I should say. And then I came back around lunchtime, popped open the laptop, and actually took another trade. And all of these were small trades this morning. But going back looking at the charts, looked like they all would have worked had I just stayed in them. But let's see if we can get TRADERVUE pulled up. I don't have Thinkorswim pulled up right now, so we're gonna go over to TRADERVUE and see if that button does it. And it did. Reviewing trades for Monday, August 22nd. Like I say, we took 3 trades today. Traded NVDA, traded AMZN, and then we came back and around lunchtime and traded NVDA. All for small gains. Nothing special today. But like I said, looking at the charts, it looked like all of them would have worked. So let's go ahead. Let's take a peek. I did record these 2. So we'll look at that video. Oh, that's not good. That's my duty phone ringing. Let me pause the video so I can take this call. All right. Sorry about that. I gotta make this one quick. I just got paged out to an accident we respond to. But looking at NVDA, was a short. It was a short. Like I said, we got out of it quick. Didn't let it work. On the 5, didn't look like it ever would have hurt us. But depending on where we had to stop at, we'll have to look at it in the video. But max unrealized 16 never went against us. We made 16, so that's exactly what we made. Amazon, another short. It was in a short lead. Yeah. Again, this is another one. Kind of pulled back a little bit. We got out of it before it pulled back against us. Most definitely would have hit target because looking at it. Things with these where I was getting in kind of late. This one, a little late right there. But look at that one. Max unrealized 45. This one went against us $3. We got out of this one for $14.50. Let's take a peek at that just to see where. So down here, we were at 45. We would have had to ride this back through this pullback, which would not have stopped us out at this thing. Stopped us up there, and this thing made a nice move down. So that one would have worked in our favor. And let's look at this last one. This one, same thing. 5 minutes. If we got in right there and had to stop on the top side, this thing never would have stopped us out. We would have made it. Remember? Max unrealized on this one was 1084. We went against us 1399. This doesn't look like a full position. But if at 100 shares, 25-cent stop, we're risking $25 at least, most likely. Just looking at this number. But it went against us $14.14. 25-cent stop would have had it going against us $25. So fairly easy math. But let's get the video pulled up real quick. We'll be rushing through this one, like I said. a darn job. I do have a full-time job as well as trading, as well as part-time job, as well as owning an embroidery company. But I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna scroll this one through fairly fast to get to where we got in. We got in this one at 9:35. So let's scroll this through 9:35. And I want to show y'all something in this video too. Dealing with ape. I'm sure most of y'all in the stock market have heard about ape. That's the Amazon or AMC preferred equity, that's what they call it. But looking at the 1 minute chart, this was going to be a 1 minute entry as this thing was breaking this area that we had marked on the chart. And you see, we put the order in before that 1 minute candle was even halfway near close. And that was one of the reasons why I was kind of getting in and out of these trades fairly quick. So there's a $50 risk, but showing strong, showing strength. See, I was ready to move to stop, but look up here. It had started somewhat going against us. That's just because this was not a clean entry. Let's go back and see how we got out of it. Hey, I got to kind of rush this today, but okay. So, oh, did y'all see that? So I had moved my target up. I went to drag the target down, and this thing just popped down and tagged me. So that's how we got out of it first. Let's scroll this through to the second one real quick. You're going to see in a minute. Watch the P&L that jumps up over there. Ooh. I have 200 shares. See right there, 200? I own 200 shares of AMC that I do cover calls with. And if you've been paying attention to the news on AMC, AMC came out with this, I guess they call it AMC Preferred Equity or something like that, 8. Well, they gave all of their shareholders, however many shares you had, they gave you that equal amount of these preferred stocks. This thing opened at a penny. I think that's where they gave them to you at a value of a penny. It opened at like $7 this morning. Went straight into a halt. Came out that halt, gapped up straight into a halt. And the video's still running. I'm just looking at it like, wow. I actually tried to sell like 150 of them. TD Ameritrade would not let me sell 150 of them. So I need to figure out how I can get rid of those. But I really don't need those. I just got the AMC shares just to do cover calls with. So I was trying to sell those and make a quick profit, and that thing pulled back something wicked already. But let's go ahead. Let's scroll through. We don't get into the next one until 9:48. I had EQT on the watch list. I thought this was going to do something. It just kind of pulled back to the previous high of day. It never did do nothing. But, all right, here we go. We're at Amazon now. So up at top left, missed a good entry right there on the 5 minute on this pullback. So we missed that entry. So now we're going to get in when it breaks the low of this candle right here on the 2 minute and 5 minute, or the 1 minute is looking just as good. Getting a nice look at it on the 10 minute as well. But there we go. Put the order in, comes back up, got in a little late, came back up, tapped us in, and let's see where we had to stop it. This is another one that doesn't really have a clean stop. So I can kind of see why I was like just ready to get out of these, because they weren't really LMB quality entries. Not that boring trading entry that I like to say I'm getting in on. Because again, I missed it on the 5. Should have been getting in as it broke that candle right there. We'd already be up 1R easy. And this thing probably would have pushed us right on down into 2R. Yeah, look at that. We would have hit target had we got in on the 5-minute entry where we should have been getting in at. But definitely was a decent trade. Now you see we moving the stop down. I mean, I had like a 10 o'clock inspection I had to go out on, so couldn't really trade like I wanted to. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, kind of trading in the truck like that, but I guess if you're making money, it's not a bad thing. It's only when those trades don't work, losing money, that it's a bad thing. But as you can see, we just moved the stop. Just moved the stop down. If it came back and tagged us, we were gonna stop out. This one. I'm not sure if I put it to break even, if it would have even let the trade still work. But no appointments in the morning, so I should be able to trade like usual. But I need to be getting up out of here. I got to ride all the way on the other side of town. There is a fuel still that the fire department is working that I need to get out and go look at. So on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, and we will be back at it again tomorrow. Like I said, hopefully I have my regular, I have a computer set up to my regular station here at the house. It's real easy. Everything is plugged into a docking station, and then I plug the docking station into whatever computer, and 3 monitors, my keyboard, my mouse. It has everything all plugged into there. Only thing that's not working right now with it plugged in like that is my desk mic. I have to use this little lapel mic. But hopefully it'll be a fairly simple plug and play. And depending on how this computer works, I might do a review on it, because the specs on it is good. The specs should work perfectly for using TD Ameritrade. This thing is coming with a terabyte hard drive, coming with 32 gigs of RAM, coming with an Intel i7 older processor. But I think for Thinkorswim, it's gonna work just fine. But let me go ahead and get out of here. We're gonna wrap this one up, and we'll be back at it again tomorrow. If you hadn't hit that like button, please do so. Not subscribed, please think about subscribing. Peace.